Alright guys, just a quick video today. If you have a Bitaxe Ultra, you already know these things run hot. So you know mine was always hitting temps that made it overheat and shut off. It was like doing it constantly, especially if you leave it like in a shed outside during the summer. Like during the winter, it will never overheat. But during the summer, it seems to always overheat. And I got several of these, and the Ultras seem to be always overheating, or at least the Ultra 403. But here's just a quick video. I was just gonna replace the thermal paste, add some copper heat sinks, and add some new paste. And also, my screen went out on mine, so I ordered a new one and was gonna put this on. All right, first thing you want to do is remove the fan from the board. I already removed the little clips. You can use like some needle nose pliers. All you gotta do is squeeze it right here, and it comes out. And I already wiped my chip down a little bit, but so you can remove the fan. That way you're just left with the board, and you just wipe this chip down. You can use alcohol wipes, or you can just use a paper towel or a cloth, and you just wipe it down real good. It doesn't have to be perfect. Most of the time, they barely put any paste on these from the manufacturer. It's probably part of why they overheat. Let's see, here's my thermal paste. Don't take much. Just a little drop, like a little pea size. And that's really probably enough, maybe. Then you just basically just put your thing back on. This is very easy. Nothing special. Let's see here. Got that. Let me get my other spring. Alright, that's that. And here's the heat sinks. You can buy these like on Solo Satoshi or a couple different websites. And here's the places you put the heat sinks at. Let's see, right here. May not be perfect, but good enough. Good enough. And then the screen, very easy. Put these on as well. Nothing special. Just little pins. Be careful not to damage it. That's that. Then also heat sink on the back. I'm hoping this fixes the overheating issues on these things, because this thing's overheat constantly, especially when it's hot. I'm tired of that, but it's winter, so don't really have to worry about that. But come spring and summertime, I will. All right. This is where you're supposed to place them, or at least that's what they say. Alright. That should be good. Let me get her plugged back in and see what she does. Alright, that's it, and here she is. She's back up and mining. Nothing to it. Very simple, easy. So if you liked the video, please like it, subscribe. Thank you.